Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose and this is an intermediate modern jive flip showing you how to do a basket outside turn. Knowing how to do a basket inside turn would be really helpful, and knowing how to do a first move outside turn would be really helpful. I'll put links to the clips to teach those two moves in the description below, so if you want to go back and look at them, it's going to be easy and quick for you to do so. So, basket outside turn looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. R1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So let's break it down. It starts off like a standard, in fact it starts like a basket inside turn. We go back, we wrap the two hands. As we twist the ladies out, the guys step across importantly onto the right so we can stay connected to the lady. Instead of now leading an inside turn, what happens is we get the left leg out of the way, you draw the lady forwards with the left hand going wide, your hand picks up the shoulder blade. So effectively we're briefly in a first move kind of feeling. And then we turn to the right, push with the left hand, goes over the lady carries on through into a turn. As the lady's heading back, the guys are heading left. We use that stretch to create a travelling return, and then we just lower and back, and that's the whole thing. So now let's break it down with numbers. So we go back 1, wrap 2, guys cut across on the right leg 3, draw the lady into the block 4, create a turn 5, get out of the lady's way 6, travelling return 7, and we're done on 8. So let's try it to account. Here we go. 5, 6, a basket outside turn. We go a back, wrap, cutting across, block, turn out of her way, travelling return, and we're done. And that is the whole thing. Do like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. That will promote the move, the channel, thank you, and it will mean you get told every time a new video comes out if you have notifications turned on. Music recommendation on the end of something nice to practice to, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.